Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to finally be trying out the Benefit Cosmetics BADgal BANG Bigger, Badder Volumizing Mascara. So I've heard so many great things about this mascara. It has high ratings, so I was really excited to be able to redeem my Ipsy points for this last month. This is, of course, the little sample size, but the full size retails for $26, which to me is a pretty expensive mascara, so I want it to be really good if I'm gonna spend that type of money. But it does sound like it's going to be really good. I love to try and build up volume in my lashes and make them look really volumized. So, I mean, this is what I'm hoping for. It's also supposed to be smudge proof, water resistant, and it has pro vitamin B5, known to fuel thickness and strength. And I'm excited about the wand. Yes, this is what I like in a mascara wand usually. It's the big, slim, packed brush. So it has longer bristles at the end, then it gets skinnier, and they're like that plastic stubby bristle rather than the brush type. So here is what that looks like. And let's see what it does for my lashes. I can already tell that the wand is doing such a good job of like gripping and reaching every lash. All of the lashes are coated with the dark black color. It's funny, I actually saw that they also sell this in a blue, kind of like a not super dark navy, but like a darker blue. So while I wait to layer up the top lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and try this out on the lower lashes. Ooh, it does seem like a good wand for those lower lashes. I'm taking the skinny tip and getting that corner that is so hard to reach. I like that for the lower lashes. I feel like I was really able to coat every lash. Let's see if I can build up the volume on these top lashes. I feel like it's also lengthening, like it's sticking really well to the tips of my lashes and keeping them pretty separated. We'll see if they start to stick together more as I layer it up, but so far it's looking really good. It's not really adding as much volume right away as I was hoping for and expecting. I feel like I do have to spend a little bit of time layering it up to really get the lashes to look as volumized as I want. But it definitely does get very volumizing. I think the lashes are starting to stick together a little bit now, so I should stop. But that looks great. The lashes definitely look lengthened, volumized, a really great dark black, a little bit of curl happening as well. And I mean, look at the difference in my eyes with it versus without it. I am very happy with how this is looking. Wow. I'm not that surprised since it has a lot of hype to it, but I was actually looking for a new mascara to add into my daily makeup routine, and I think I'm gonna put this in there because I love that it's a really easy wand to use. It's not getting mascara all over my eyelid, and I can actually get every single lash. And it's definitely really great for these lower lashes as well. And I am really looking for a mascara that is great for both the top and the lower lashes. And I can really achieve that with this mascara. Yeah, after I'm continuing to layer it up, it definitely does make the lashes stick together, which is not a look that I like. I want my lashes to stay separated. And that's the only thing making me not love this, is the fact that it does make the lashes stick together. And here you can see my finished mascara. So since this is a pretty hyped up mascara, I am definitely curious to hear everyone's thoughts on it in the comments down below. So let me know. And also, I just love to get mascara recommendations. So let me know what your favorite mascara is, especially if you have one that keeps the lashes separated and is very volumizing. I definitely have some that are great like that, but I love to find more. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.